Here's a Progress Lighting Apollo ceiling fan. I picked this up off of Craigslist for free. There was originally two of them. The first one actually had a schoolhouse light kit on it, but the guy told me that one actually was given away before I could jump on it. But he had this one left, which I'm actually glad he had this one because I like the light kit a lot better. But unfortunately, the mounting bracket was missing, which is why it's on the floor. It has that stupid ball, which I really don't have a bracket that could be used for that. Just a canopy for it. It has some kind of union made out. Whatever. It works pretty well. It buzzes really loudly, but other than that, it's a pretty decent fan. It's variable speed, so it's a light. Shut it off. Kind of looks good with the light on, so I'll leave it. And I guess we'll try it out. Turn it all the way to the slowest speed, and we'll. I don't know which direction. Oh, that's off. Okay, I'm guessing. Okay. Start with that, maybe. It's too slow. Do a little more. A little more. Maybe that. There we go. Now it's kicking. It's in pretty decent shape. The blades are in really good condition. The motor has some scratches, which you can probably see right there. And that light just burned out. I just put it in there, it died. But I have a reflector bulb in there and two Energy Star things in there. Take it off a little bit more. I don't like floor testing fans at all either. I know this is kind of suckish, but this is the best I can do. Feel the air already coming from it. And I remember, I think a year ago, I got that Casablanca Zephyr for free off of Craigslist. Pretty much the same exact kind of style, you know, anti-brass 4-light kit, nice blades. And this guy actually did the same thing. He wrapped it up all nice, put it in a box, put the glassware in a bag. I mean, for free. They're really taking good care of these fans. I'm really surprised. Give it up more. I don't know what's going to happen. It just buzzes like crazy. And it's going to be a pain in the ass and squiggle, or squeak, or whatever you want to call it. No, it's too high. Moving just my air. Yeah. Actually, I'll just turn it off. But that's about it. There are some tags on the top of the motor. They don't really say much. One of them just says Progress Lighting on it, but I'm not going to flip the whole entire fan over to show you the tag. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.